7 powerful lessons from the book. Be your future self now. The science of intentional transformation. 1. The power of visualization. Envisioning your future self can significantly impact your present actions and decisions. By visualizing your desired future, you can motivate yourself to take steps towards it. 2. The importance of purpose. A clear sense of purpose can drive your actions and give your life meaning. Understanding your why can help you overcome obstacles and stay motivated. 3. The role of mindset. Your mindset shapes your reality. By cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset, you can attract positive experiences and opportunities. 4. The impact of habits. Small, consistent habits can lead to significant transformations. Focus on building positive habits that align with your goals. 5. The value of continuous learning. Lifelong learning is essential for personal growth. Seek out new knowledge and experiences to expand your horizons. 6. The power of taking action. Don't just dream. Take action. Small steps can lead to big results. 7. The importance of gratitude. Practicing gratitude can increase happiness and well-being. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and express gratitude for them.
Subscribe to and support our channel to listen more. Peace. Talk to you my next video.